Tank assembly. The service bulletin number can be found in the top following: 912, 912S, 914. The service bulletin addresses a potential manufacturing defect overheat posing a potential safety risk. The service bulletin outlines the necessary steps for inspection is required. The labor credit is 1.8 hours per replacement, as 5-00-00, along with the maintenance manual affected by this service bulletin. There are 3 instant tank assembly. Each procedure applies to a specific scenario: inspection of the expansion tank assembly as a spare part. Be sure to review the instructions carefully to determine internal visual inspection of the expansion tank assembly. This is done using a bore scope internally because the paint on the outside of the inspection is completed and/or the expansion tank has been replaced. Be sure to perform in your engine logbook. If you have any questions or inquiries regarding this service bulletin, here's how staying informed ensures you're always up to date with the latest critical safety updates